All right, so what I've got here is probably the last good consumer grade vacuum that Hoover has ever made. And this thing has no suction coming out of the hose. I already know what's wrong with it, but I don't see anything down there, and I didn't when I looked earlier, nothing here. But of course, true to form, check all of your connecting points. Sure enough, we've got a big clog. So what I'm gonna do here is pull the door off, pull this paper bag off, and wow, that's pretty bad. Let's get this cleaned out, and then we'll get this cleaned out too down here, see if this motor's still good. Now, unfortunately, this is a very common issue that I see with many of the machines that I pick up from the curb. It's just poor maintenance. Now, you can wash this out, but I'm just going to leave it alone. I believe I have some more type Y bags. Got a new Y bag. Now, personally, I like HEPA bags in my own machines, but stuff I'm going to get rid of or otherwise donate, it doesn't really matter to me. Even though these used to be really good machines, the newest ones are approaching 20 years old now. And naturally what happens with plastic is it breaks down over time, and you start getting things that crack and break. And you almost have to be more careful with a lot of this stuff as it's aged, because I swear some of it, if you even look at it funny, it'll crack. I see it all the time on the older Dysons and these older Hoovers, which were originally made by Whirlpool, Maytag, or whoever. They were good for the time, but they haven't really stood up to the test of time. These things really kind of have more than one Achilles heel, so to speak. Over the past few that I've picked up over the past year or two, I've had problems with the bases being cracked and broken, the machine not wanting to stand upright, or it being kind of, slanted to a side. I've also seen these brackets, the plastic that they mount to, completely break off, rendering the self-propel feature pretty much useless. And the only real way to fix that is to, of course, replace the whole base, which has been out of production now for, years. So when you get one of these in and it still seems to work okay, it's kind of almost a big deal now. Go ahead and flip this over. Inspect the brush roll and everything else. And then there's another thing that you got to be careful with on these, and that's these base plates. So the screws that go into the base, almost all the time I've seen them stripped out by people that I've picked these things up from on the street. So we've got 4 screws here. And I am anticipating that, as we can see here, there's a clog, so this is probably going to be really, really dirty. I'm so afraid of breaking stuff now on these every time I pull into one of them. Like I said, So I think this brush roll is still good. A wear point on these, most of the time it's not the bristles, it's right in here where the belt sits. So we're gonna inspect that. Brush roll seems to be okay. That's acceptable as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, that's a really big mess that's in here. Let me pull this out. So you guys don't need to see this part on camera, but I'm gonna clean this brush roll off. I just take a razor blade and cut it, and that's pretty much it. Now this machine, I'm not going to be doing a detail on because it is a donation unit, and there's just really not a point in polishing one of these up. If this was for personal use, or I was actually gonna keep this thing, I would definitely clean it up some more, but I honestly don't really care at this point. We're doing a video on it, just basically, you know, why this thing was thrown away, and that's going to be that. This brush roll off, we'll be right back. Okay, that's all cleaned off. So what I like to do is check under these end caps, make sure there's no, you know, dirt, anything built up on them. This one's okay. Check this one too. This one's actually cleaner. So happy with that. Let's go ahead and reinstall. In order to do that, just grab your brush roll. There we go. So I'm gonna clean this off one last time. And of course this thing broke off and flew away, just kind of like I said it would. So I'm gonna have to rely completely on the screws now. So this will make a decent vacuum for someone. This will go straight to the donation pile. Stay tuned for more videos.